So hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna showcase how to remove or replace these buttons for the windows, because Ford Focus MK4 tends to have these bad things over here, as you can see. Even break off. It's kinda, I don't know why it's that, but as you can see here, this one is in great condition, a little bit dirty, but so let me show what you need to do to get to this point where you can remove. So what you're gonna need: plastic tool. You wanna click it somewhere over here. So probably best way to start is over here and pull. So get down, pull again, and there is another clip somewhere over here, and last one. So after you did pull off all of that, you just pull it out, because here you can see this one goes inside, so this one goes over here, and these are the clips that are holding everything in place. So, and after that, let me show you underneath, if you're gonna be able to see. But here basically there is one screw over here and two screws holding it all together. And for this one, for this job, you're gonna need this tiny one. I don't know if you're gonna see. Let's try to check. So a tiny one. So first go over here, up, and two more go on this side. So let me unscrew these, and then I show you how if you just need to replace this. So let me show you. So once unscrewing all three of these tiny bolts, as you can see, everything is loose. And what you want to do, you want to click these last two buttons back and push everything out. So pulling these two buttons here and putting everything down, so like this. So only thing after that, what's left to do is to take off the electricity, and it's just one of these buttons. So you just need to click it. So kind of harder with one hand, but it's possible. So these are the ones that are kind of bad. So you want to swap them for these that are really nice. What you want to do, again, you take this and push back, screw the drives back, plug the electricity, and basically you are done replacing the buttons. So the full column. So if that's probably gonna help you for sure. But if you need something else, like the cardboard, I'm gonna show you by the rest of this video. So it's basically one video. So again, you will again need to remove this one to get to these screws. So this one, there is one, and other one is up over here. So what you want to do, you want to push, I believe it was on this side, so you push it in here to get loose over here. Or you just, if you're just like me, you can use your screwdriver and click it out. So as I said before, click in here, it clicks out, you take it out. As you can see, this goes in, and these are clips that are holding. You have this screw over here, so that's one, that's two over here, and I think two are down here. So somewhere, yeah, these are the 7, and if I'm not wrong, one should be somewhere in here. Just this one does not wanna cooperate, so we're gonna help him a little bit. So one screw is over here. So I'm gonna unscrew, then we check everything else, how to remove the cardboard. So after taking this one, this one underneath, the one hidden behind this light, we have two more. These are the 7s. 1 7, another 7 over here, and there is one hidden one underneath of this. I'm not really sure my camera can pick up those, so let's try. So I don't know if you're gonna see, but one is in there. So, and that one is kind of a little bit bigger, and it's not that easy to get to it. So, but still you have to take it out. So as you can see, after you take that one, then you can just pull everything back. So what you're gonna do, you wanna use this plastic tool so this one, so you wanna use that, and you find the clips. So you go first somewhere here. Let me show. So this is the first clip, first big clip is here, so somewhere around here. So that's the first big clip. After that there is few smaller ones. You use that plastic tool, or you take this bad boy and just push it in, click everything out, so like this. So there is some more clips over here, but once you start, it's not that hard to finish the job. So after you click all of them out, and you can do this with your cardboard, basically all you want to do is just pull it up like this. So once you pull it up, so now there you have a few wirings. So basically there is one over here that you just want to take out. Nothing overly too fancy. And this one is a little bit trickier, but nothing overly too hard. So press over here and pull everything out. So you can see, and again, if you wanna turn it back, so you put it over here and click it inside. So, and there you have it. That's your door from inside. So for whatever reason you would need to change it. Is it the speaker? Is it, I don't know, for whatever reason you need to change this. Basically mostly you will need to change this. So put in the cardboard back, you plug all of electricity, you find the sweet spot. It will be kind of harder with one hand, so you find your sweet spot. So find your sweet spot. There is one here that you need to collect first. After that, it's just basically click everything inside the pins. Give the screws back, put this bad boy inside, and that's about that. So I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one, see ya.